Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use camera Pro mode on your Tecno Nova 5 Pro. So to do this you have to swipe up with your finger and select the Pro mode. And right now we can find parameters at the bottom. So the first we can adjust exposure compensation. Next we can find shutter speed. Right here we can find ISO level. The next it's the white balance. Right here we can set the manual focus. And right here we can select the matrix metering. At the top we can find the flashlight that we can turn on or turn off. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.